Let's look at the generative search first. The first thing is not SEO 2.0. This is not like creating a few like articles that you pack with keywords and hope an AI model picks it up and then recommends your product. That's not gonna how it works. And I think, to be frank, a lot of people haven't really figured out how to influence it. So I think the most important thing, if you want to sell to an AI, is that the AI knows what you're offering. Knows the product, knows its features, knows the price, knows the delivery options. So first of all, you need to make sure, if you have probably a lot of web shops have kind of anti-bot protection. You use the Cloudflares of the world to just make sure, hey, no competitor can crawl my site, know exactly what I'm doing. But that's a great way to also make sure that no AI bot is going to figure out what you have to offer and how much it costs. So you will probably have to drop that pretty soon in order to make sure that kind of AIs are able to see what you have to offer. So, and this should be as a kind of real time as possible. The second thing is, I think one of the key things that matter is like the expected delivery date, because you know the product, you know the price, but the other very important dimension you need to look in is when does it get to you? And a lot of customers see that as a trade-off. Hey, how much do I pay versus when do I get it? So understanding that trade-off and basically offering kind of options or making that very clear and transparent to the AI is super important. If you still have something on the platform that says 3 to 5 or 6 days, that's not something you can work with. So I think there's probably a lot of drive to sort that one. The third one is no hidden perks. Kind of everyone probably has gone through this process. You have a very specific marketing campaigns. You don't want to be cheaper than Amazon, but you still want to give your customers a little bit more. So you have all these like extra things you throw in. So all these like hidden marketing incentives you have, nobody's going to care about. If the AI doesn't know about it, it doesn't exist. It won't take a decision on anything if it's kind of all hidden in some kind of newsletters that you're selling. So the AI will look at what it can see. So you have to probably think about the way you do promotions and so on and so forth. So I think that's an important point to also consider, and you have to probably re-look at your operating model for that. And lastly is obviously you're not the only one out there. There's a lot of competition out there, and you probably need to have a keen eye on this. As much as you have to basically show all your cards, how much you're charging for what service, they will have to do the same. So, and the thing you have to do is figure out exactly what they're offering. How do you fare? If you compare against them, will the AI recommend you or not? And then you can also know why not. Is it because of your features? Is it because of your price? Because you're too slow? I think there will be a lot of visibility that is created over the next few years where you know where you fare. And I think you have to have a keen eye on this, because you can get everything right. The only thing that will probably stand in your way, if you're not competitive, if your competitor is like 2% cheaper, you're probably going to see kind of not a lot of purchases happening on your side.